I understand your day went really well, and I'm sure we are looking forward to another successful day tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, we also are looking forward. We are looking forward to the awards, and just as much as people, we look forward with expectation as to who will be the recipients. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank ABU for bringing this particular event to Fiji. I'd like to in particular thank the Secretary General of ABU. I'd like to in particular thank the Secretary General of ABU for his enthusiasm, his energy that he brings to the organization, and of course his love for Fiji. So let's put our hands together for the Secretary General. Just to give you a weather update, as we did yesterday, the second largest island, Honolulu, as I was just seeing the news, various parts of it is now getting flooded because of the inclement weather that we have, and thankfully we are spared at this point in time. But again, this highlights to us, what the age that we live in, what are the challenges we face, not just in Fiji, of course, but numerous other parts of the world. I'd also like to, again, recognize the journalists who do work in Fiji and also outside of Fiji. Please, we need to partnership with you. We like you and the various organizations that have the CEOs here. Please, you must get your journalists, at least one or two of them, as we highlighted on the first day, to actually understand climate change and the issues, and to be able to take a more nuanced approach, to be able to take a more sophisticated approach to highlighting about climate change and the challenges that we face and how we can all work together to be able to create the public awareness and indeed the public education. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for your presence, and we look forward to the proceedings of the evening. Thank you very much.